Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily fix the MySQL server failed to install issue on Windows 10. So what you can do guys, at first you can go to the browser. From here in, you need to type Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2019 and press enter. So here in guys, it's visible. The latest supported Visual C++ downloads, click on it. So this is what you need to download and install. Here in remember, for Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19, all have the same files to download. Herein we are having x64, so I'll go for the following and click on it to download. Then you just need to install it. That's it. After that, guys, after installing, you need to go to Start and type MySQL installer. Okay, herein click on Open. After that, guys, you can see the installer is visible. You just need to click on reconfigure because you installed the Visual C++ redistributable package. So you need to just click on reconfigure and follow the steps shown in my video. In the following video, you need to follow the same steps. I'll also mention this link in the description of this video. After that, you will be able to fix the issue. So guys, in this video, we saw how we can fix the MySQL fail to install issue. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you're still facing issues, please mention in the comment section. Thank you.